Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is your host Sayyid Abid Hussaini from balcony of my apartment in Lucelle. To all of my viewers across the globe, a very happy new year, the year 22. While you can see behind me the stadium, which is gonna be the FIFA World Cup uh, uh, for the opening and the final match of the FIFA. I would like to really wish from the root of my heart for everyone a very blessed year ahead. Happy New Year is the time when people are having a resolution, people are committing themselves, and this is what is uh, a wonderful occasion. I would like to also commit myself in front of all my viewers that I will remain committed to to you while providing you with the valuable knowledge, whether it is going to be on personal development or the professional development. This is my commitment to you all that throughout the next year and beyond, I will continue in providing you with something of value, something of importance to you. If you will keep on watching my videos, you will be benefited in one way or the other. As you know that HB Academy channel which we have created, the sole motto of this channel is to add value to our viewers, be it or the personal front or professional front. Anything should be value addition. This is why I'm reminding this all, because there are a lot of noises around, there are a lot of hanky panky, there are a lot of bombardment of information. So we are indulging ourselves, intentionally or intentionally in activities which are at times are not worthwhile. And believe you me, uh, we are not in a position to waste our time. So this is what is my request and my commitment to you all, that I will remain committed uh, by providing you with valuable information on various front. As you know that we have already started communication series, a leadership series, and something which is very close to my heart is that keep learning new skills. That is one of the series which we will keep on adding new videos into those series. A new thing which we have started and which we are going to add uh, in the coming future is that financial freedom. This is something very important and need of the hour. I feel that in my audience, there are people from my friends and families who are really not aware about uh, uh, financially, how to get financial freedom, how to get a suitable investment. Time is is reached to that level that each individual of our society must know, up to a certain extent, that what is financial freedom, what is investment, how to invest your time and your money. So that will be also one of the videos which we will be chalking out, inshallah, in future. So please keep watching and keep liking your uh, channel, which is called HB Academy, and lot of excitement. We are going to bring in some new skills which may be related to your profession, or maybe you can switch to a new profession. So those kind of training awareness are also going to be lined up in our uh, year 2022 videos. So till next time, please keep watching and keep sharing, with this hope that you will also be committing yourself, committing to your family, committing to your responsibility, committing to your country, and so on and so forth. So till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.